I am a small, twinkling star, and I have a story to tell. You see, I don't reside in the vast sky, but in a magical world of dreams and wishes where stars come to life. My name is Sparkle, and I live in a starry realm where every star possesses a unique gift. In this world, each star shines with a different brilliance, a radiance that carries a special power. Some stars light up the night with a soothing glow, while others sparkle like precious gems. But I was known for my ability to share the beauty of the night with others, a gift that made me truly unique. One evening, as I was casting my shimmering light, I noticed a group of little stars huddled together, their brightness dimmed by worry and sadness. I approached them and asked, "Why do you look so troubled, my friends?" The smallest star among them, a gentle and shy one named Stella, spoke up. "We want to be as bright and beautiful as the other stars, like you, Sparkle. But we don't know how. Can you help us?" I smiled and said, "Of course, dear friends. I will teach you the magic of sharing your beauty with others, and you will see that there is a unique and wondrous light within each of you." And so, I began to share my wisdom with Stella and her friends, teaching them the power of kindness and the beauty of sharing. I told them each star has a unique light, and your light is just as precious as mine. By sharing your radiance with the world, you can bring joy and happiness to those around you. Stella and her friends listened intently, their eyes filled with hope and curiosity. They were eager to learn how to share their light with others and make the night more beautiful. The first lesson I imparted was the importance of a warm and kind heart. To share your light, I said, you must be kind and gentle, for a warm heart glows with a special light that touches the souls of others. Stella and her friends took this lesson to heart and practiced being kind to one another and to the creatures of the night. They helped a lost firefly find its way home and comforted a young owl who was feeling lonely. With every act of kindness, their inner light grew brighter. The second lesson was the art of sharing beauty. I showed them that beauty could be found in the simplest of things, from the delicate petals of a flower to the laughter of a child. By sharing the beauty you find in the world, I explained, you not only brighten the night, but also bring joy to those who behold it. Stella and her friends set out on nightly adventures to discover the beauty that surrounded them. They admired the colors of the night flowers and listened to the songs of the crickets. They marveled at the shimmering river and the silver moonlight. As they shared these wonders with others, their light shone more brilliantly. As the days turned to weeks, Stella and her friends grew into radiant stars, their beauty illuminating the night. They discovered that true radiance came not from outshining others, but from sharing the unique beauty within their hearts. One evening, I gazed upon them with pride, and Stella smiled at me, her eyes sparkling. "Thank you, Sparkle," she said, "for teaching us the true meaning of sharing beauty and kindness. We have learned that the most wondrous light is the one that comes from the heart." I smiled back and replied, "You are most welcome, dear Stella. Remember, the beauty you share with the world is a gift that brightens not only the night, but also the lives of those you touch. Keep shining and spreading your warmth and light." And so, in our magical world of dreams and wishes, the little stars continued to share their radiance, filling the night with beauty and kindness. Each star understood that their unique light was a gift to be shared with others, and their hearts glowed with the joy of illuminating the world. As the moon rose high in the sky, casting a silvery glow over our starry realm, I shared one final lesson with Stella and her friends, a lesson of gratitude for the beauty of the night and the importance of sharing it with others. With those words, The little stars bid me good night and returned to their nightly adventures, their hearts aglow with the magic of sharing beauty and kindness. And as the night deepened, I watched over them, knowing that their light would continue to illuminate the world and fill it with wonder and warmth. In our world of dreams and wishes, the little stars and I knew that the beauty of the night was a gift to be shared, a treasure that enriched our lives and those of others. And as the stars continued to twinkle in the vast sky, their radiance was a reminder that the beauty of the heart was the most precious light of all.